Philippine Air Force embarked in the acquisition of 12 units of multi-role fighter aircraft with an allocated budget for contract worth 61.2 billion Philippine peso. MaxDefense Philippines reported that the U.S. Defense Security Cooperation Agency has confirmed that the U.S. State Department has approved the sale of 12 units of F-16C D Block 70, 72 Viper, including associated spares, services, logistics support, training, and munitions for the Philippine Air Force, with said to be worth $2.43 billion or more or less 120 billion Philippine peso depending on the exchange rate when the project is awarded. MaxDefense Philippines explained that despite being expensive, the package includes munitions, at least 3 extra spares of major components like engines, AESA radars, mission computers, communications and other avionics, and sniper or listening advanced targeting pods. The Philippine Air Force will embark in the acquisition of munitions separate from multi-role fighter acquisition project under multi-role fighter munitions system acquisition project under Horizon 2 phase of the revised AFP modernization program, with said to have a budget worth 12 billion Philippine peso. MaxDefense Philippines reported, first week of June 2021, that the Department of National Defense is preparing the proposal for the Swedish fighter aircraft, Saab Gripen JAS 39C/D, to be submitted to the Office of the President for final approval. MaxDefense Philippines listed down things that are included in the approved package.